Hello everyone, welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. The kitchen has always been more than just a place for cooking. It's where conversations flow, families gather, and memories are created around the table. A well-designed kitchen brings together functionality and beauty, blending comfort with style in a way that feels both practical and inspiring. In today's homes, design choices go far beyond appliances and cabinetry. They reflect personal taste, lifestyle, and the way we connect with the spaces we live in. From modern layouts to timeless details, every element plays a role in shaping an atmosphere that feels inviting and enduring. This video will explore fresh ideas and enduring design elements that transform kitchens into spaces that are as stylish as they are functional, offering inspiration for both remodels and new builds. A kitchen that feels open and airy instantly sets the tone for a welcoming home. Removing unnecessary barriers and allowing the space to flow naturally into dining or living areas creates a sense of connection and ease. Large windows or glass doors invite plenty of natural light, making the kitchen feel brighter and more spacious. Instead of heavy walls, subtle dividers such as half-height partitions, glass panels, or even a strategically placed island can define zones without closing off the space. This balance keeps the kitchen practical while maintaining that open, free-flowing feeling. An airy layout not only makes the room more enjoyable to spend time in but also encourages interaction, turning the kitchen into the true heart of the home. Cabinetry plays one of the biggest roles in shaping the look and feel of a kitchen. Smooth, handle-free designs create a clean and streamlined appearance, giving the space a modern yet timeless character. Floor-to-ceiling cabinets not only look elegant but also make the most of every inch of vertical space. Inside, smart storage solutions can completely change how a kitchen functions. Pull-out drawers, hidden organizers, and corner units keep everything within easy reach while reducing clutter. Even in smaller kitchens, clever storage design makes the room feel more open and efficient. By combining sleek exteriors with thoughtful interiors, cabinetry becomes more than just storage, it becomes a seamless part of the overall design. A kitchen island is more than just an extra surface, it often becomes the centerpiece of the entire room. Positioned at the heart of the kitchen, it provides a natural gathering spot where cooking, dining, and conversation come together. Beyond its practicality, the island can be designed to make a bold statement. Choosing a contrasting countertop material or a different cabinet finish instantly draws the eye and gives the kitchen a unique personality. Functionality is equally important. Many islands now serve multiple purposes, combining storage, prep space, and seating in one design. Adding bar stools creates an informal dining area perfect for quick meals or entertaining guests. With the right balance of style and practicality, the kitchen island becomes a signature feature that elevates the space both visually and functionally. Materials have the power to define the atmosphere of a kitchen and give it lasting appeal. Natural stone surfaces, such as marble or granite, bring an elegant and durable quality that never goes out of style. Wood, whether used in cabinetry, flooring, or accents, adds warmth and texture, creating a balance between sophistication and comfort. For fixtures and finishes, options like stainless steel and matte black continue to stand the test of time. They pair well with almost any color scheme and give the kitchen a refined edge. Combining these classic materials with thoughtful design ensures the space feels both modern and enduring, making it a kitchen that remains inviting and beautiful for years to come. Technology has become an essential part of modern kitchens, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Smart appliances, such as ovens that can be controlled through mobile apps or refrigerators that help track groceries, bring a new level of convenience to daily life. Motion sensor faucets not only add a touch of luxury but also promote hygiene and water conservation. Lighting systems can now be adjusted with a simple tap or voice command, allowing the atmosphere to shift from bright task lighting during meal prep to a softer, ambient glow for dining. Energy-efficient appliances are another key element, helping reduce utility costs while being environmentally responsible. By thoughtfully integrating smart technology, the kitchen becomes a space that is not only stylish but also highly functional and future-ready. Color has a remarkable ability to set the mood of a kitchen, and choosing the right palette ensures the space feels inviting for years to come. Neutral tones like white, gray, and beige create a calm and balanced backdrop that works well with almost any style. These shades allow the design to evolve over time, easily accommodating new accents or seasonal touches. Earthy colors such as warm taupe, soft greens, or gentle browns bring a natural and comforting atmosphere, connecting the kitchen to nature and adding depth to the design. For those who enjoy a bit of personality, incorporating bold accents, whether through a painted island, vibrant backsplash, or colorful accessories, adds character without overwhelming the space. A thoughtful blend of timeless neutrals with strategic pops of color creates harmony and keeps the kitchen feeling fresh and adaptable. The backsplash is often considered the jewelry of the kitchen, bringing personality and texture to the overall design. Classic subway tiles remain a favorite for their clean lines and timeless appeal, effortlessly fitting into both modern and traditional styles. For those who want something bolder, patterned tiles or mosaic designs can create a striking focal point that adds energy and character. Beyond tile, wall treatments are also gaining attention. Wooden panels can introduce warmth and a touch of rustic charm, while stone cladding brings depth and a natural element into the space. Even a simple painted accent wall can transform the mood of the kitchen, especially when paired with thoughtful lighting. These details may seem small, but they have a big impact, turning plain walls into statement features that elevate the kitchen's overall look. Lighting does far more than brighten a kitchen. It shapes the mood, highlights design details, and makes the space more enjoyable to use. Layered lighting is key. Task lighting under cabinets ensures prep areas are well lit, while ambient ceiling lights provide overall balance. Accent lighting, like wall sconces or hidden LED strips, adds depth and creates a sense of warmth. Pendant lights above an island can become a design statement, acting almost like artwork while still serving a practical purpose. Choosing fixtures that complement the kitchen style, whether sleek and modern or warm and decorative, brings personality to the room. With thoughtful placement, lighting enhances both function and atmosphere, making the kitchen not only brighter but also more inviting. Designing a kitchen with sustainability in mind not only benefits the environment but also creates a healthier home. Using reclaimed wood for cabinetry or recycled materials for countertops adds character while reducing waste. Flooring made from bamboo or other renewable resources provides durability with an eco-conscious touch. Energy efficiency is another important factor. Appliances designed to use less electricity and water save on utility bills while lowering the household's footprint. Even something as simple as switching to LED lighting makes a lasting difference. Bringing greenery into the space, such as small potted herbs on a windowsill or an indoor vertical garden, adds freshness and reminds us of the connection between the kitchen and nature. By blending eco-friendly choices with modern design, the kitchen becomes both stylish and responsible. What truly makes a kitchen stand out are the personal touches that reflect individual style and character. Open shelving mixed with closed cabinets allows favorite dishes, cookbooks, or decorative pieces to be displayed while keeping everyday items neatly tucked away. Small design choices, such as unique cabinet handles, custom drawer pulls, or even a distinctive faucet finish, can add subtle charm that feels one of a kind. Artwork, decorative lighting, or even a carefully chosen rug can also bring warmth and personality into the space. These details turn the kitchen from a purely functional area into a reflection of the people who use it. By blending practicality with self-expression, the result is a kitchen that feels not only stylish but also uniquely personal. A beautifully designed kitchen strikes the right balance between modern function and timeless style. Open layouts, sleek cabinetry, smart technology, and sustainable choices all play their part, while details like lighting, colors, and materials bring depth and character. Personal touches complete the picture, ensuring the space feels not just practical but truly welcoming. Designing a kitchen is about more than following trends, it's about creating a space that supports daily life while remaining inviting for years to come. Whether through small updates or a complete remodel, every choice has the potential to transform the heart of the home into a place of comfort, style, and connection. If these ideas inspired you, remember to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more creative ways to elevate your home.